Meron tong passport around the world. Alright? So ang record natin is, actually record holder natin is from Iloilo last year. Pero wala sila ngayon, so sayang. But 2, 1, go!
First you spread your lip for me, then you move to lip for me. Limbo ankle, limbo knee.
That's it up for 130 hits. In or out?
Jack be quick. Jack go under limbo stick. All around
In or out?
the block. Hey, let's
In or out?
limbo rock.
Out! Alright, let's start. Entry number 136. Alright, let's go. 151.
Get yourself a limbo girl. Give that chick a limbo whirl.
Alright, out.
On the boat,
Alright,
we'll fall
thank you. Let's start. Entry number 139.
Jack go under limbo stick. All
Pasok, pasok. In or out? Pagbigyan, in.
the limbo rock.
Yung track nyo, sarado nyo. Entry number 137. Are you in? Are you out? In or out? In or out? Alright, next year, entry number 140. O, yung tao sa likod ng truck. Sino sa ilang mga kawawa? Kaloy! Alright, in or out? Out! Loy, loy! Alright, final round. Ay! Ang sa Ilonggo daw yung puwet is ano, Christine, ano yung puwet ng Ilonggo?
Ang laki ng buli.
Yan, ang isang Ilonggo na word alam ni Christine, buli. Alright, so ready na guys? Final round. So make sure straight yung line po natin, okay? Oops, sandali lang. Pahirapan muna natin yung sumakay sa hood. Alright. Ready na? Alright. Okay. Alright, pag nag-start yung music, game na tayo ha. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
All around the limbo block. Hey, let's do the limbo rock.
Next round tayo. Entry number 139. advice namin kung gusto nyo sumakay pag malapit na kayo para hindi kayo mahirapan, alright? So kung may gusto, pwede pa ba sumakay sa carbon fiber hood? Gusto nyo pa? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! You want that? so final round, last two cars. Dalawa boss, final round. Alright, the purpose of the final round is to get your lowest score. So yun yung dadalhin yung score hanggang next year. Alright, so that's the purpose of the final round. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, you always have to give your best, yung pinakamababa. To give you an idea, sa ibang lugar, ang tinatanggal nila hangin ng gulong para mas mababa. Alright, so ngayon, ano tayo? Positive 2? 2? Okay na 2. 2. Alright, Christine, yung paborito mo? Ready in 3, 2, 1, game! Positive 2. Baka kaya pa positive 1, mas mababa. Kaya pa. Positive 1, boss. Sasaway pa, para mas mababa. Sa mga followers mo?
Ay, langga.
Alright, sino gusto magpailangga? Alright, game ha? Ready? Yung antena nyo kasi yan, yung mataas. 1, 2, 3, go!
All around the Limbo Park. Hey, let's do the Limbo Rock.
In or out? In or out? Wala na, tatawa na! Buko! Alright, thank you so much! Alright, thank you so much, boss! Bro, yung tao ulit sa trunk, nandiyan pa ba? May tao wala? Oy, tawagin mo naman si
Langga, lumabas ka dyan.
Alright, so ngayon, panalo na si entry number 136, pero tatry natin. Hindi, positive or 0. Okay, try lang natin yung lowest score nyo. Panalo na kayo, boss. Entry number 136, pero try natin ng 0. Alright, kailangan daw mabigat ang buli. Ay, sorry. Kailangan daw mabigat. Ayan, so guys, don't forget to tag us on social media accounts, facebook.com/B2BCarShow, Instagram @B2BCarShows, and of course TikTok B2BCarShow TV, and YouTube B2BCarShow TV. So yan na, ingat ha. Ha? Paano? Buli to buli. B2B pa rin yun. Ayun. B2B, buli to buli. Ikaw naman, Shane, ano sa ano yan?
Ang lalaki ko ng bully.
O bakit tuwang-tuwa ka? Kinikilig ka na naman. Ito, kinikilig, last year ka pa. Alright, so itatry natin yung 0. Team Christine, i-stretch mo yung cable para, okay? Ron, assist mo na lang, Ron, ha? So, nasa 0. Yung nasa likod, make sure hindi tatama yung mga ulo nyo, tuhod, lahat. Uy, ingat ha. Okay, mga photographers natin, ready na?
Tuhod ka po!
Tuhod?
Your knee! Your knee! Don't you understand?
Ang tuhod?
Game!
Okay, ready? Okay, 0. Target natin 0 ha. Alright, ready na boss? Ready? In 3, buli, to buli. 2, 1, go! Positive 1 kayo, congratulations, champion pa rin kayo. Wait. Lahat tayo, group picture. Lahat kayo kasama kayo sa group picture natin. Proceed tayo sa middle. Dito kayo sa gitna.